Hello guys, welcome. It's CGKurosh. So to this video I have to create running particle. You know about that, actually you will play Minecraft, you'll walk, it's not happen. But when you're running, you see that some particles are come up from your foot under your avatar. I animated by frames to frames. Next I open plan for collision or earth and choose a texture for this, for example grass, top of grass. Let's open particles then. I set it size like his foot. So we just need to set in this a particle. Before that I open gravity and UDeflector. Now I open particle view and add in sub options. Second force, collision, shape inside shape. So for birds I have to say something that's easy. You see that Steve is running and you can see his frame that when it starts and when it will stop. So frame 0 will start and frame 2, frame 3 it will stop. So now let's go to birds, and for immediate start is good, and for stop write it 13. Now for position icon. It don't have problem. You see when you bring it, it always is volume. Don't touch volume. For force I add and choose gravity. For steep I write it to be 273. Rotation is good, random 3 is fine. Now for collision icon. Click add and choose UDeflector. And famous thing is to make it stop. Now for shape scenes. So here we have to make shape particle for this. I just open one plan and click shift and copy it, and I change it with scale, and I make it 0 or 1. I make it 1. I choose 2 plans and I go to group and group it, and for name I write shapes of running particle. Now I go to modifier and found unwrapped. I click M to open material editor, and I go to standard. I change the standard with this can line, and I choose a texture from Minecraft. Guys, remember, when your avatar character have to run in animation, you should to see the plan of this that he's running on, that to know what's this texture. For example, my texture is grass, and you should to choose grass but maybe dark. But if it was dirty, you choose texture dirty or dark dirty. So I could to fund it. It's less dark than this plan. Click none of filtering and I paste it on these two plans and I go to open Unwrap editor. Now let's set it with polygon. Now let's go back to particle view. In Shabby says click none and choose these two plans and click group members. For to this scales and version I change it. Scale to be 27 and version to be 54. Display is strikes. I go to geometry to show us these particles. It is in our collision because we still don't install all collision in particle view. I click display and click shift and copy it out of this and I install it to collision. Now I have to bring three options to this. First is rotation, 2 is delete, and last is material dynamic. For rotation, it must be random horizontal. And for delete, click by particulate and just change lifespan. Write it 23. For material dynamic, I open material editor and this texture that I pasted onto these two plans for particles shape, I drag it out and bring it to this none. I click OK and I would watch it again. It is still not collision to this plan or grass because on UDeflector I didn't pick object and choose this plan. Remember, you should to first do it for collision. Now see, now it will collision. So we could to create our particle. Now last is set it under this character. I set it size under him and I click link and I link to him. Now let's see. Yes, that's awesome. Look at this. Look at this from this. You see that it will happen. Some particle will come up from your under your avatar in like in game. Finished. Now we have our running particle. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like it and enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe my channel to see more videos about this tutorial about Minecraft. And share it for your friends that they are animators. If you have problem or question, just comment in my channel. See you soon, guys.